Play. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh damn it! What is up, guys? Right now we're playing Geometry Dash. Yeah. Let's get going to play. Oh my god. So this is the first level. Steel Madness. So yeah, try it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna. Oh yeah. Oh what? Oh no! Come on. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do it. I don't know why that makes me laugh, but yeah. Oh, damn it. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Play. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh no. Oh, damn it. This is gonna sound really bad. Wait, I don't know if you can hear, but yeah. If you like it, okay, just stop it. Nothing. Let's keep playing. Yeah? Let's keep playing. Let's keep playing. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Oh yeah, we're doing it. Oh yeah! I almost did it. Not even close. I got to press like the whole level. Wait. Oh, there. There. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, 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 let's go. Let's keep doing this, let's keep doing this. Let's keep doing this, let's keep doing this. Let's keep doing this. Oh, at the same spot I was at. Oh, damn it. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's go, let's go. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the level. Oh yeah. Oh! Damn it. Let's go. Okay, let's go to the next level. Back on track. Okay, let's do this. Oh, damn it. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh, what? Ah! There you go. Oh, what? Zan! Oh, damn it! Oh, yeah. Oh, damn it! Oh, no. Oh, yeah. I'm doing. Oh. Oh, damn it. Ah! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh! Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on, you can do it. You can. Oh, no! Ah! Oh, again. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. I do it. Oh yeah. Oh what? Oh, you got to jump over here.
It makes your mobile device faster, cleaner, and a whole lot safer. It's like having your
Really?
own tech support person, tuning up and protecting your device 24/7.
Go, let's just get this out of here. Get this out of here.
360 security.
Yeah. Let's go to the next level. Polar G. I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Oh! Wait. I have done this part, but I don't know how to do it. I don't remember. Oh yeah. Oh! Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Oh! Close. Let's go. Yeah! We can do this. Oh yeah, oh! Here, let's try this again. There. Oh! How do you even jump right there? I don't know. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe down below. Click that like button. If you like this video, yeah, just thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.